I love you. 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 Thought you might need a hand with these ones, mate. When you drop it on the floor by your feet. You're out, Boy Scout. Hey, come on then, follow me. Why don't you come home with me? Come to Saltburn. No. Yeah. Everything okay? Yeah.
I think the best thing is that you go home now. Fucking hell, it's dark enough as it is.
Try to be nice and you fuck off and bother somebody else.
What the fuck is wrong with you, Oliver? Leave me the fuck alone! Look, I just gave you what you wanted!
I'm sorry for that.